Hi, this is Priyal Mehta from Mumbai Montessori Teacher Training Institute. Hello dear children, good morning. Today we are going to learn about one alphabet. And do you know which alphabet it is? It is the first alphabet. Can you all tell me which one is it? Yes, it's the letter A. Let's have a look how the letter A looks like. And this is how the letter A looks like. Up the mountain, down the mountain, and a sleeping line. Up the mountain, down the mountain, and a sleeping line. Up the mountain, down the mountain, and a sleeping line. This letter A is the big letter. And you all want to see the small letter A looks like. The small letter A looks like this. You just take a half C and a straight line. A half C and a straight line. A half C and a straight line. So how do we write the big letter A? The big letter A is written like up the mountain, down the mountain, and a bridge. Up the mountain, down the mountain, and a bridge. And how do we write the small letter A? Half C and a standing line. Half C and a standing line. It's a very easy peasy way to write the letter A. Let's have a look at the objects that begin from letter A. Before that, do you all know that what sound does letter A make? The letter A makes sound eh, eh, eh. What sound does the letter A make? Eh, eh, eh. Let's have a look. A for apple. An apple, when you eat an apple a day keeps the doctor away. And what do you make out of an apple? You make a yummy, delicious apple pie. What do you make out of an apple? A yummy, delicious apple pie. What is this? This is an apron. What is it? An apron. And A for avocado. A for avocado. Avocado is very rich in nutrition and it is very, very healthy. This is an aeroplane. What is it? An aeroplane. This is an apple tree. What is this? An apple tree. This is an ant. What is this? An ant. This is arrow. If you want to point something, you have to point it and show it like an arrow. And what is this? Yes, your mama has given it to you every morning to eat it, right? This is an almond. You must eat 3 to 4 almonds a day. It makes you strong and it makes you healthy. So now you will sing a rhyme on letter A. A, letter A. We all love letter A. A, letter A. It is the first letter of the 26 alphabets. A, letter A. We have so many things in letter A, like an apple and a pie, apron, avocado, aeroplane, an apple tree, and arrow, almond. These are things that begin with letter A, letter A. Now, my dear children, I have 2 worksheets on letter A. It's an easy peasy worksheet on letter A. Come on, let's do it. This is letter A. And here are the objects that there are few objects that begin with letter A. So how do you do this worksheet? Let's take an example. What is this? It is an aeroplane. An aeroplane begins from what letter? Yes, A. Hence, shall we match it with this letter? Yes, of course. So we take a pencil and we make a line and join it. Similarly, there are many other objects out here. You have to say the object's name, and if it starts from letter A, you take a pencil and you make a line. Now let's go to our second worksheet. Our second worksheet is trace the letter A. You can take a finger and with your finger you can go with the arrow up the mountain, down the mountain and a sleeping line. Up the mountain, down the mountain and a sleeping line. Up the mountain, down the mountain and a sleeping line. And how do you write a small letter A? A small half C and a standing line. A half C and a standing line. Half C and a standing line. After you finish this worksheet, you can color it with your favorite color. I hope, dear children, you all enjoyed learning the first letter of the alphabet family. Thank you. Bye, children.